LTE, LTE-A, and LTE-A Pro Migration to 5G training, Tonex training. LTE, LTE-A, and LTE-A Pro Migration to 5G training covers LTE, LTE-Advanced, LTE-Advanced Pro, features and enhancements and migration towards 5G. Other topics include 5G NR, Air Interface Architecture, 5G Core, 5GC, Architecture, Nodes, Interfaces, and Operation. LTE Advanced, LTE-A, is essentially a 4G technology, and LTE-Advanced Pro, LTE-A Pro, aka Gigabit LTE, aims to significantly increase the data speeds and bandwidth, a stepping stone towards 5G. Pre-5G and 4.5G are essentially point to LTE-A Pro with key attributes such as data speeds in excess of 3 Gbps, LTE-A, 1 Gbps, 640 MHz of carrier bandwidth, LTE-A, 100 MHz, latency, 2 ms, LTE-A, 10 ms. Topics include 5GC overview, 5G technology overview, 5G system survey, 5G architecture and interfaces, 5G network services, 5G NR architecture, interfaces, protocols, and operations, 5G NR signaling, 5G core, 5GC, architecture, interfaces, protocols, and operations, multi-access edge computing, MEC, advanced LPWA4I, 5G signaling and operations, 5G protocol and architecture, 5GC network solutions, 5G network design and optimization, 5G network rollout, 5G capacity planning, 5G for non-engineers and managers, 5G RAN signaling, 5G RF engineering, 5G RF planning. Learning objectives. After completing this course, the student will be able to describe the evolution from LTE, LTE-A and LTE-A Pro to 5G, summarize LTE-A Pro architecture enhancements towards 5G, describe the fundamentals of 5G networks, illustrate the architecture of the 5G network including 5G NR, 5GC, describe enhanced mobile broadband, massive machine type, MMTC, communications and ultra-reliable and low-latency communications, features in 5G. Identify key 5G network functions, interfaces, protocols and indoor working elements. Describe how the 5G NR works. Describe 5GC network functions and interfaces. Compare 5G service-based architecture versus reference point architecture. Describe ingratiation paths to 5G. Who should attend? This professional training course is designed for young technical professionals in engineering, managers and others seeking to establish credentials in preparation for migration to 5G NR, SA and NSA, and 5GC networks. This practical hands-on training course presents LTE technologies from end to end, including network planning and the optimization trade-off process, features of LTE Advanced and LTE Advanced Pro and how they integrate into existing LTE EPC and 5G network, 5G solutions as considered in Release 14 and beyond. Method of learning. The class consists of pedagogical elements that are interwoven to maximize the use of individual, group and class time. These elements are lectures, in-class activities, teamwork, group assignments, quizzes and tests for the advancement of engineers in multiple areas. The methods of learning consist of visual presentations on engineering management topics, textbook, discussions, activities and involvement of all participants in practical exercises to demonstrate application of knowledge learned. Courses material, tools, and guides, outlines. Evolution from LTE-A Pro to 5G. Overview of 5G network services. 5G radio and core network architecture. Network slicing in 5G. Architecture revolution from LTE, LTE-A and LTE-A Pro to 5G NR. Cloud and Open RAN architectures. Control and user plane architecture and bearer types. Introduction 5G core network, 5GC. Overview of 5G core network, 5GC, network entities. 5G network deployment and migration paths. Case studies. Attendees learn about the migration paths, and the challenges involved with the migration from LTE EPC towards 5G NR, SA and NSA, 5GC. Request more information about LTE, LTE-A, and LTE-A Pro migration to 5G training. Visit Tonex.com.